easy and amazing shakshuka recipe, a flavorful journey you can't miss. Are you craving a dish that's not only delicious, but also packed with flavors that will transport you straight to Tunisia? Look no further. Shakshuka, a traditional Tunisian recipe, offers a spicy tomato sauce, poached eggs, and a burst of aromatic flavors that make for the perfect breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. This easy, flavorful recipe is the ultimate comfort food and an ideal dish for anyone looking to spice up their mealtime. In just 40 minutes, you can whip up a mouth-watering shakshuka that will have everyone asking for seconds. It's simple, nutritious, and bursting with flavors. Let's dive into how to make this incredible dish that is not only easy to prepare, but will have your taste buds dancing. What is shakshuka? Shakshuka, also known as shakshuka, is a traditional dish originating from Tunisia. It's a beautiful combination of poached eggs in a spicy tomato sauce mixed with onions, bell peppers, and garlic. While traditionally eaten for breakfast, it's so versatile that it can also be served as a delightful lunch or dinner. And here's the best part. It's incredibly easy to make with minimal ingredients. You'll love how this dish combines fresh vegetables, aromatic spices, and rich tomatoes to create a savory sauce that perfectly complements poached eggs. Plus, it's best served with warm, crusty bread to soak up all the delicious sauce. Why you'll love this shakshuka recipe. Quick and easy. Prep and cook this dish in just 40 minutes. Healthy and nutritious, packed with vegetables, protein, and a variety of vitamins. Flavor explosion. The spices like cumin, paprika, and hot chili pepper create a complex flavor that you won't be able to stop eating. Customizable. You can adjust the heat level and spices to suit your preferences. Perfect for any meal. Whether it's a lazy weekend brunch or a hearty dinner, shakshuka has you covered. Ingredients you'll need. Before you begin, make sure to gather the following ingredients. 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 1/3 cups chopped onion, 1 cup thinly sliced bell peppers, any color, 2 cloves garlic, minced or more if you're a garlic lover, 2½ cups chopped tomatoes, fresh or canned, 1 hot chili pepper, seeded and finely chopped. Adjust based on how spicy you like it. 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust to taste. For large eggs, these simple ingredients combine to create a mouth-watering dish that's sure to impress anyone at your table. Step-by-step instructions to make your shakshuka. Now, let's jump into the easy steps to create this amazing shakshuka. Ready to get started? Step 1. Gather all ingredients. Start by prepping your ingredients. Chop the onions, bell peppers, garlic, and tomatoes, and have your spices ready. This will make the cooking process smooth and quick. Step 2. Heat olive oil. In a large skillet, heat up the olive oil over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the chopped onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Stir them around for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables have softened and the onions turn translucent. Step 3. Prepare the tomato mixture. While the vegetables are cooking, mix the chopped tomatoes, hot chili pepper, cumin, paprika, and salt in a separate bowl. This mixture will bring a tangy, spicy, and aromatic flavor to the shakshuka. Step 4. Combine tomato mixture with vegetables. Now, add the tomato mixture to the softened vegetables in the skillet. Stir everything together and let it simmer uncovered for about 10 minutes. This allows the tomato juices to cook off and lets the spices mingle, creating a rich, flavorful sauce. Step 5. Add the eggs. Once the sauce is thickened, it's time to add the eggs. Use a spoon to make 4 indentations in the tomato sauce. Gently crack an egg into each indentation, being careful not to break the yolks. Cover the skillet and cook for about 5 minutes, or until the eggs are firm but still slightly runny in the center. You can cook them longer if you prefer well-done eggs. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to serve. Garnish with fresh herbs or a sprinkle of extra paprika for a pop of color and flavor. Serve this dish hot with a side of crusty bread to soak up all that rich sauce. A helpful tip: if you don't have fresh tomatoes on hand, feel free to use drained, canned tomatoes instead. This can save time and still yield a deliciously flavorful shakshuka. Nutrition facts: shakshuka is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Here's a quick look at the nutritional breakdown for each serving based on 4 servings per recipe. Calories: 209. Total fat: 15 g, 19% of your daily value. Saturated fat: 3 g, 15% of your daily value. Cholesterol: 164 milligrams, 55% of your daily value. Sodium: 654 milligrams, 28% of your daily value. Carbohydrates: 13 g, 5% of your daily value. Dietary fiber: 3 g, 11% of your daily value. Sugars: 7 g. Protein: 8 g, 16% of your daily value. Vitamin C: 65 milligrams, 72% of your daily value. Calcium: 60 milligrams, 5% of your daily value. Iron: 2 milligrams, 11% of your daily value. Potassium: 511 milligrams, 11% of your daily value. This dish is a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it an excellent option for a balanced meal. Variations and tips to customize your shakshuka. Shakshuka is highly customizable to suit your personal taste. Here are a few ways to mix it up. Spice it up. Add more hot chili peppers or a dash of cayenne for extra heat. Cheese lover's dream: top your shakshuka with crumbled feta cheese or goat cheese for an added creamy flavor. Herb infusion: fresh herbs like cilantro, parsley, or mint can add an extra layer of freshness. Add protein: if you'd like to boost the protein content, you can add cooked chicken or lamb to the sauce before adding the eggs. Final thoughts: why shakshuka is the ultimate dish. This easy, amazing shakshuka recipe is a true crowd pleaser, whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just for yourself. It's quick, simple, and packed with flavor. The poached eggs and the spicy tomato sauce create a comforting, satisfying dish that's hard to beat. Plus, you can adjust the ingredients and spices to make it your own. So, next time you're in the mood for something deliciously different, give this shakshuka recipe a try. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Now, go ahead, try it out, and experience the magic of shakshuka today. Your taste buds will thank you